couple of your secrets. Swear that I won't ask. Look over your trouble. I don't care where you've been. The only thing that matters now is where the night will be. Yeah, right, good, lights, I'm shining on. You know that it is so tight, it makes you wanna get up, get down like it's over. I wanna hear you sing with me. Hallelujah. Come on, we go. We can all night. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We got you. Okay. Put your hands in the air. Like that. And then play. And then play some. And everybody go over and put your hands up. Play. And put your hands up. And everybody go over and put your hands up. We can all night. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So let's get down to business. Show me what you got. Just keep the record spinning. The music never stops. I see you wanna live forever. And reach about the stars. And take it to the next level. The light is very simple. Good light, good light, I'm shining on. That beat is so tight, it makes you wanna get up and get down like this. Okay, everybody now. Everybody now. Okay, say what? We can all night. Don't worry about it. Yes. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Now, know I'll be alright. Don't worry about it. You know, y'all. Put your hands in the air. And then wait. And put your hands up. And then wait. And put your hands up. Wait. And put your hands up. And then wait. And put your hands up. Yeah. We can all night. Don't worry about it. Tranquilo. Let me talk to you. Tell them, yeah, on the rooftop, surrounded by the stars and the views up. But ain't nobody thinking about what you got. Everything's ours when the gym get a new spot. Yeah, don't worry. Night never ends, no heavy. So they look thick, so the lines get blurry. In the night till your paws, so we might get dirty. DJ, let the beat play, make a heat wave when your beat play me. Now we gon' party like a DJ, younger free saying it's the one of a DJ shit. Moon is the light, eyes the ceiling. Low is the bass and the high is the feeling. Close is the club, all in, cause we can. It's fun for the books, stop everybody, man. Come on. Hey. I can't hear y'all. I can't hear y'all. I know I'll be alright. Don't worry about it. I know. Go with me now. Hey, and put your hands up. And everybody come over and put your hands up. Hey, and put your hands up. And everybody come over and put your hands up. We tell them, what? We can all night. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You know what, Catalunya? One of our first, no, this is true, tranquilo. So one of the first shows that we ever had was in Catalunya. And this is the last show of our tour this year in Catalunya. So to all you people who came out here today and showed love, we love you. Mucho gracias. This was so much fucking fun. And one time before we go, make some noise.